Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from, and want to get things updated here. Although update's probably not the right word. Confirmation would be a more accurate term, because there's nothing new in the sense of a new level of resistance or a new level of support, but more so just confirmation that the levels I've talked about in the past, as being levels of support and resistance, have indeed played out. And the big one, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from yesterday, but that is the area down here at 40 cents, which I've talked about many times before as support. And you can see this morning, once again, has been confirmed, acted as support. And in fact, from that point, gave the price a nice little boost here, and then that's where the second point of confirmation comes into play, and that is where I've talked about levels of resistance, namely right up here at 48 cents. And surprise, surprise, sure, it didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree, considering the move started off all the way down here and then got within that vicinity, close enough where 48 cents definitely has also been confirmed as resistance. So while I'm not saying 48 cents can't be broken or anything like that, I'm just saying there definitely are some sellers sitting there. And, given the data that the chart has now given us, apparently, the price really is going to need to bring its A game if it's not only going to be able to fight above 48 cents, but stay up above it in the event that can hold. So again, levels of confirmation, 40 cents, definitely there's buyers hanging around down there. And, as far as sellers and where they're hanging out at, up there at the 48 cent mark. In a nutshell, though, if you want to just summarize very quickly, 30-minute channel pattern. That's the easiest way to summarize this. Bottom of the channel, 40 cents. Top of the channel, 48 cents. And until, a breakout or a breakdown happens, you kind of just got to sit back, grab some popcorn, and wait and see how things all play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.